Hello, everybody. It is Miss Grant, and I want to explain a little bit about today's lesson. So, yesterday, what we did is we went through our presentations, right? We all had our terms and our slides that we had to fill in, and regardless of if you were here or not, you do have access to those slides. So, go ahead onto your Schoology page. It is in the folder titled Figurative Language Week 1. Okay, this is your module 1 for your figurative language. This is day 2. So the first day we focused on the terms, the definitions, what they mean, and also, where you might be able to find examples in the text. So today, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be taking figurative language examples and we are going to be interpreting what they literally mean in context. So, what do I mean by what they literally mean? Well, as you'll see on the slides coming up in a little bit, you have the literal meaning definition, right, which is the exact dictionary definitions of words, and on the contrary, figurative language uses words that are non-literal, an imaginative way to create more of that deeper meaning. So we are going to be taking the figurative language term, and we are going to be interpreting what it might mean literally, and then how it might explore and exemplify or make the text more interesting, right? Or in our case today, what I have you guys doing is you have little clips of figure of language from movies or shows. I think most of them are movies. So, what you're going to do is you're going to watch that little snippet of the clip. You're going to identify the figurative language that is being used in the movie. And then, what you are going to do is you are going to explain this is the figurative language term. This is what it might literally mean. Try your best. You do not have to be 100% correct because this is kind of tricky, but I want you to try, right? And then I want you to explain to me and tell me, hey, okay, so this is why they might have chose to include this, right? The nice thing about this assignment is you don't have to have context about exactly what's going on in movies if you've never seen them, but you are able to tell me this is what it might do to help, the audience better understand what's going on. So, like I said, this is going to be an assignment completion grade. I want to see that you are making an attempt. I will, when you guys submit them, I'll go in, I will make some corrections if I see that there's a little bit of, needing some adjustments here. But please reach out to me for questions. My email is open, you know that. And also, Schoology will have these notes as well. So go into Schoology, Figurative Language Week 1. The presentation from your class slides are in there, as well as any notes that we went over yesterday and notes that are going to be, that we're going over today. So have fun with this lesson. It's meant to be interesting, and you guys, and have a great weekend. Please reach out to me with any questions. All right.